Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Soul Sync. It's Dovey here, and today we're talking about a little bit of a spicy topic. Toxic things girls do to keep a guy hooked and obsessed. Now listen, I'm not saying you should do these things, but let's be real. Some girls do exactly this without even realizing how manipulative it can be. And the crazy part? It works. So let's break it down. The toxic behaviors girls use to keep a guy chasing, thinking, and borderline obsessed. 1. Giving just enough attention, then pulling away. One of the most common toxic moves, giving him just enough attention to make him feel wanted, then suddenly pulling away. It's like one day you're texting back fast, being all cute, giving him compliments, and making him feel on top of the world. But then, the next day, cold, distant, unavailable. This triggers a guy's competitive side and makes him chase harder because now he's confused and trying to figure out what changed. It makes him crave that validation again, and before he knows it, he's hooked on getting your attention back, making him jealous, but never fully available. A little jealousy? Dangerous but effective. Some girls will drop hints about other guys being interested, post subtle things on social media, or talk about someone just enough to make him wonder where he stands. But here's the key. They never actually fully commit to another guy. It's just enough to keep him on edge, overthinking, and slightly territorial. He starts trying harder, texting more, making more effort, just to make sure he's still winning. And let's be honest, if a guy really likes you, this works every time. 3. Using hot and cold behavior to create emotional highs. One of the biggest toxic tricks, playing with a guy's emotions to create extreme highs and lows. It's simple. One moment, you make him feel like he's the only guy in the world. You're giving all your attention, laughing at his jokes, and making him feel wanted. The next moment, you're ignoring his texts, acting unbothered, and making him second-guess himself. This makes him emotionally dependent on your approval, because when he gets that attention again, it feels even better, like a reward. It's the same psychology behind addiction. 4. Giving him a special nickname to make him feel unique. It sounds harmless, right? But giving a guy a personal, exclusive nickname can actually make him feel emotionally attached. Why? Because suddenly, he's got something special that no one else has. It makes him feel like he has a different, deeper connection with you. And the best part? Every time you use that name, it triggers that emotional response again, keeping him addicted to your validation. 5. Keeping him guessing about where he stands. A lot of girls keep a guy hooked by never fully clarifying what they want. One day, you're acting like you want something serious, but the next, you're like, I don't know what I want yet. This traps him in a cycle of proving himself to you, hoping that maybe one day you'll fully choose him. And as long as he doesn't have a clear answer, he keeps trying harder. It's toxic, but it makes a guy obsessed with getting that final confirmation. 6. Making him work for your approval. This is another classic move. Never fully giving him the validation he wants, but always keeping it just out of reach. If he compliments you, act unbothered. If he tries to impress you, act like it's not a big deal. If he gives you extra attention, act like you didn't even notice. The moment he stops feeling secure in your attraction, he tries harder to prove himself to you. And just like that, you've got him hooked. 7. Using touch to create emotional attachment. One of the sneakiest but most effective things? Subtle, meaningful physical touch. Brushing against him when you walk past. Touching his arm when you laugh. Playing with his hair in a teasing way. It's all small, innocent-looking moves, but they create subconscious emotional attachment. A guy remembers the way you made him feel physically, and it makes him crave more of it, even when he doesn't realize why. 8. Ignoring him, just long enough to make him miss you. This is one of the most powerful toxic tactics. If a girl suddenly pulls back, stops texting first, and acts like she's busy with her own life, a guy's brain panics. It's like, wait, why isn't she giving me attention anymore? Did I do something wrong? Does she not like me anymore? This makes him overthink, crave your attention even more, and when you finally come back, he's extra excited and grateful to have your attention again. So there you have it. The toxic things girls do to keep a guy hooked, obsessed, and thinking about them constantly. And let's be real, these tricks, they work. But they also create emotionally unhealthy relationships where the guy is addicted to the chase instead of actually being in love. So tell me, have you ever caught yourself doing any of these? Or maybe you've had a guy completely wrapped around your finger without even trying. Let me know in the comments, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. I'll see you in the next one.